I have the pleasure of using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for about 4 days now, and there's a lot I want to share with you. Many of your burning questions about this device will be addressed, so let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about the stunning design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I opted for the titanium violet color variant, and it's nothing short of beautiful. Depending on the lighting and angle, it can exhibit different shades, making it a unique choice. The titanium frame and sides add a premium touch that sets it apart from its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. One of the most noteworthy changes is the introduction of flat screen on the S24 Ultra, and it's a game changer. This flat display not only stands out as one of the brightest and most color-accurate screens on a smartphone, but also remarkably reduces reflections, making outdoor use a breeze. It enhances the experience, especially when using the S Pen, which now feels even better without the curvature. Now let's get to the camera, a crucial aspect for many users. The most significant camera upgrade on the S24 Ultra is the new 5S lens. There was some concern about whether this lens is an upgrade or a downgrade compared to the S23 Ultra. The truth is, it's neither. While it may not be a massive upgrade, it's certainly not a downgrade. In outdoor shooting and video recording at 10x zoom and beyond, both phones perform similarly. However, the S24 Ultra shines in super low light scenarios thanks to its larger aperture, capturing more detail. The 5x lens is excellent for portrait photos at 5x zoom, adding versatility to your photography. One of the standout features of the camera setup is the ability to switch lenses seamlessly while shooting 4K 60 video. This feature ensures smooth transitions between lenses, offering a fantastic experience. Night portrait mode works well with all lenses, making it perfect for low light or nighttime photography. However, in extremely low light video scenarios, the iPhone 15 Pro Max still holds the edge in noise handling and sharpness. The default photo resolution remains at 12 megapixels, but you can shoot 24 megapixel photos using the Expert RAW application. It would be great to see this feature integrated into the main camera application via a software update. Performance-wise, the S24 Ultra is the best performing Samsung flagship to date. It's incredibly smooth, thanks to improved optimization and faster display response times. It's free from lag, providing a snappy and responsive user experience. Samsung has also introduced a range of AI features that genuinely enhance the overall user experience. Features like generative wallpaper options, circle search, AI editor, and slow motion video add value to the device. The AI editor allows for subject movement and image expansion, offering creative possibilities. The S24 Ultra also supports 4K 120 video recording, a significant addition. The Translate features, including interpreter and live call translation, are powerful tools that work offline, making them handy for travelers. Additionally, the ability to summarize web pages saves time and offers convenience. While the AI features are impressive, Samsung plans to bring these features to older Galaxy flagship phones like the S23 series, D Flip 5, and Fold 5 in the first half of the year. So if you're considering the S24 Ultra solely for these features, keep in mind that they will become available on older devices as well. Is it worth upgrading from the S23 Ultra? For most users, probably not. However, if you're using an older device like the S22 lineup, upgrading to the S24 Ultra makes sense, especially with its promise of 7 years of major OS updates. It's a top-notch Android phone, second only to the Google Pixel 8 Pro in terms of software longevity. Lastly, I want to touch on the social media app experience, specifically Instagram. Samsung claims that the Insta camera can now deliver the same HDR quality as the main camera. While HDR performance is indeed good, video quality within the Instagram app is still better when shot with the main camera. However, the frame rate for low-light video recording within the Instagram app has improved. In terms of battery life, the S24 Ultra is a powerhouse that easily lasts a day. It performs impressively in battery drain tests, and you can find the results on my channel. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is Samsung's most polished phone to date. The 5S lens is an upgrade and performance is exceptional. With the added AI features and 7 years of major OS updates, it's an attractive option for those looking to upgrade. Don't miss out on the limited time pre-order deals that Samsung is offering. You can find all the details in the description. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage of this incredible device. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.